Okay guys, so this video is a little bit different. Well, it's not really that different. It's pretty much the same like all of my videos. But this is my nighttime routine skincare that we're gonna go over tonight. And a lot of the products that I use for my nighttime skincare are homemade, they're DIY. So I basically just use essential oils and a few ingredients for all of my skincare. So stick around because I'm going to show you how to make them, and I'm going to walk you through a little bit of my nighttime skincare with all natural ingredients and products that you can easily make and either give them as a gift or you can use yourself, and I swear by these products. So the first one is my lavender eyelash serum. I've been using this for years and I don't have big beautiful eyelashes by any means, and this really helps to thicken them. So I use this around my eyelashes on the top and the bottom, and it's made with essential oils and one other ingredient. So simple, and a big bottle like this pretty much gets me through half of the year. My daughter also uses it as well. So that is one of my products. So the second product that we are going to make today and I use for my nighttime routine is this toner. I've been using this for years. I love how it smells. I think it really cleanses my skin and tones it out and helps with anti-aging. So I call this my geranium anti-aging toner. So I use this after I shower. I usually shower in the evenings because if you've been following me for a while, you know that I work with children and I do a lot of farm work throughout the day, so I just get really grubby and gross, and by the end of the day I'm ready to shower and unwind and relax. So I use this at the end when I cleanse my face. Okay, so for my last and final ingredient is my vanilla foamy body wash. I really like this because it smells amazing, and I like it because there's very simple ingredients in it and it does the job and it moisturizes my skin. So these are 3 DIY homemade beauty products that I'm going to incorporate in my nighttime routine, and I'm going to turn this camera around and show you how I make them, and then we are going to prepare for the next day by unwinding and getting ready for bed. If you enjoy these type of videos, DIY videos on homemade beauty products, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Remember, if you don't want to miss any videos from me, to hit that subscribe button, and then comment below if there's any homemade DIY products you want me to make in the future, because that'll kind of help me brainstorm for some future products to make for you guys. So let's go ahead and make the products and kind of unwind and get ready for bed.
Okay, so we are going to make 3 of my DIY homemade natural beauty products. These products I use in the evening every night before I go to bed. So the first DIY project we are going to make is the eye serum. Like I said before, this eye serum is amazing. I've been using it for years, and there's 2 essential oils you're going to need for it: cedarwood and lavender. You'll need a glass bottle with an eyedropper top, a funnel, and you're going to need castile oil and a label, just so you know what you are putting in your medicine chest. So always make sure you label everything, and you're going to add all the ingredients in your glass bottle. You can use the funnel so nothing spills out on the side. And I like to use this on my eyelashes to promote growth and healthiness of it. And yes, I've been using it for years and I have seen a world of difference. Okay, so the next beauty product we are going to make is this geranium anti-aging toner. And I use 2 essential oils for that. Frankincense, which is amazing for reducing or helping reduce fine lines and anti-aging. You're gonna need witch hazel, a funnel, and some filtered water as well. I like using this after I cleanse my face in the shower, and I take it to a cotton ball or a cotton pad and clean my face. It smells amazing, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful product, and I highly recommend making it and trying it. And you can mess around with how much of the witch hazel you want to use, just depending on the sensitivity of your skin. This is great. If you want to get started with essential oils or learn a little bit more, drop me a comment below, because I can help you get started with it, give you all the advice, and lead you through essential oils, because it's a wonderful world. Okay, so another product we're going to make is my lavender body wash, and I use Castile soap for this, some almond oil, and you can use any type of carrier oil, some glycerin, and vanilla and lavender essential oil. So in a bowl, you're going to go ahead and add your almond oil, your Castile soap, and your glycerin along with your essential oils, and give it a good mix. You're going to put it in a bottle, and basically you're just going to add this to a loofah. It is very, very great for sensitive skin, very hydrating, and I use this to cleanse my body every night before I hit the hay. So I highly recommend these essential oils because lavender is very calming and vanilla is beautiful. Now you want to make sure you clean the outside of your bottles with rubbing alcohol. If you've been following me for a long time, you know you want to do this. Just gets all the residue and the oils off so your labels can stick to your bottles well. I highly recommend making these products for not only yourself, but you can also give them as a gift. Maybe this upcoming Mother's Day, these would make a perfect gift to give your mother or favorite woman in your life. And let me know if you try any of these products. Now, like always, full details and recipes of all of these DIY homemade beauty products are over on my blog, which is www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net. Make sure you head over there and check it out. There's even free printable labels for you as well. And there's also tons of other free labels and DIY recipes on a lot of my beauty products, such as scrubs and linen and pillow sprays, roller bottle recipes, you name it, they're all over there. So as you can see, I'm using all of my products and getting ready for bed. This is part of my nighttime routine, using all 3 of these products, and I swear by them. They are great and wonderful. Let me know if you try any of them. I would love to know. Let me know your thoughts on them, what I could improve on. I really would like to know. So thank you so much for watching. So remember to like, share, comment, subscribe if you enjoy this video, or if you know anybody else that would benefit from this video, make sure you share it with them. Like it if you want me to do more DIY beauty videos. And as always, I love constructive feedback, so let me know in the comments below. And we are going to wrap up this bedtime routine with my eye serum that I absolutely adore, and here I am applying it. So I hope you guys enjoy this nighttime beauty routine.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's getting pretty late here and I'm all ready for bed. I hope you enjoyed all my DIY homemade beauty products that I use before my nighttime routine or during my nighttime routine. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I just really want to encourage and inspire you to live a more natural home, or have a more natural lifestyle. And you can do that without breaking the bank. It's not super difficult. It's just practicing good habits each day, as far as like your food and your workouts and your beauty care and your health care and everything. You can live a very fulfilled, natural life for not only yourself, but for your family as well. And I hope you can walk side by side with me through this journey as we create a homemade, healthier home for our families and for ourselves. So remember to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you don't want to miss any videos from me, and I'll talk to you guys real soon, and I hope you're safe and healthy, and you are getting a good night's rest, and I will talk to you soon. So long.